Here I'll be showing you how to insert the motherboard into the computer case. First, before that, I will be putting in the I/O shield I received with my motherboard into the back of the computer case. It should just pop in whenever you put the I/O shield in. It should slot in nicely together. Make sure the right side of the I/O shield is facing the outside of the computer. Remember, if in doubt, look at the back of the computer case whenever the I/O shield is put in. Does it look okay? Are the letters reading the right way round? That's usually a good indication. There are a series of screws I got with the PC case. What I'll be doing is I'll be screwing these into the holes which the motherboard will be going over. And what these are for is there will be holes in the motherboard that will slot into these screws whenever we put the motherboard on, and that just helps the motherboard stay in place. So it may be a bit fiddly to put the motherboard in, but make sure it fits in nice and snug, and that the ports on the side of the motherboard go through the I/O shield. If it doesn't fit in the I/O shield, you're doing it wrong. So just play around with it until that fits in, and if it fits into the I/O shield, it should fit into the brackets nicely. In this particular video, it seems I had problems putting the motherboard in with the graphics card. Sometimes you'll get that, so just put in the graphics card the same way I explained in the last video, and you should be okay. Now, there were side brackets on the PC case I had to unscrew, so as the ports on the graphics card were able to be placed outside the PC case, so I had to unscrew two of these. Even though the motherboard is secured with the screws, there are screws that go from the motherboard into these screws which secure the motherboard, and this will keep it in place and it'll lock the motherboard and prevent it from moving. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the second part of our tutorial. If you had any problems putting the motherboard into the computer, let me know, and as I said in the last video, I would help you out the best I can. Let me know if this video was helpful, and I thank you all for watching. Take care.